Good morning, dear cadets. So, we are in the chapter number 17, Forest in our Lifeline. So, just to see, so many things we have already discussed. Now, just little bit part is left. So, we'll try hard to finish today itself. Causes of vanishing of forest. What are the main cause of vanishing of forest? Okay, vanishing means disappearing. You can understand this one. You can write here disappearing. Okay, so what are the causes of disappearance of forest? Just try to understand. There are so many activities which we people are doing, because of that forests are disappearing from the earth. Just see what are those activities. Just try to understand here. The first activity is construction of roads and buildings. Just try to understand. So many roads are being constructed, so many buildings are being constructed. So where they will construct road and buildings? The areas which are covered by the forest. Okay, because most of the areas on the earth has already been covered by the increasing population. So those are the areas people are looking to build the road and buildings. So this is the main cause of disappearing of forest or vanishing of forest. Okay, just try to understand. Nowadays you might have heard about the tension between India and China. Just see, those areas they are covered by the snow, especially in the winter season. There also effort is on to make the approach road. Not only approach road, such type of roads and tunnel which can operate throughout years. So forget about these areas which are plain area. People will think of making roads and building in the name of development. Okay, so this is the main cause. Next cause is industrial development. Just see, now India is going to be the largest populated country of the world. To meet the requirement of that population, what is there? Fast industrialization is required. Not only this one, unemployment problem is there. So unemployment problem can also be sorted out because of industrial development only. So because of industrial development, what is there? Industry should be set up. So industry should be set up in those areas which are away from the mainland. So they are seeking in forest areas only such kind of activity. This is also one of the reason of vanishing of forest. Next one is increasing demand of wood due to population explosion. Just try to understand. Population is exploded. Then what is there? There should be a demand of buildings. There should be demands of furnitures. Okay. There should be demands of other things. And for that, what is there? They require wood. This is the reason, that is why a lot of pressure is generated or created on forest. People are going and cutting the trees to get their demand, satisfied. Okay, so this is also one of the reason of vanishing of forest. Lack of afforestation activity. Now try to understand the proportion in which forests are being destroyed. In the same proportion, what should be there? Afforestation should be there. But in India, what is there? They are cutting the forest, but in the same proportion, afforestation is not there. This is also one of the reason that forests are disappearing very fastly from our eye. Okay, so here the role of people comes. What is there? If they are cutting one tree, they should plant 10 trees, so that out of 10 at least 5 should grow. Okay, so there should be a proper afforestation program, so that the forest number should not decrease. And you might have seen in the Sainik School campus, almost 5th of June of every year, more than 1,000 saplings are planted. And after some time they are growing into big trees. So such kind of activity should be carried out in other place of the country and world also. Okay, next one is overgrazing of animals. Now try to understand. Any trees, first it will be small only. Okay, if overgrazing is there by the animals, So what they will do, in the tender age of plant only they will eat, and now that will not grow into a big tree. So overgrazing is also one of the reason behind the vanishing or disappearing of forest. So if these issues are not addressed in due course of time, then slowly forest cover will be disappear from the earth. Okay, so these issues should be addressed. Okay, and these are the causes of vanishing of forest. Okay, now question arises here, why forest is so important for us? Okay, what would happen if forests disappear? Okay, so here I summarized here, if forest disappear, then what would be there? Now you know that plants are absorbing carbon dioxide gas during the course of photosynthesis. If forest disappear, then no one is there to absorb the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Then the amount of carbon dioxide will increase in the atmosphere, and resulting into there would be increase in the temperature of earth, global warming. So what would be there? Carbon dioxide concentration will increase, and the temperature of the earth will also increase subsequently. So forest should not be disappear. What would be the second thing? If forest disappear, the animals will not get food and shelter. You know that plants are the source of shelter and food for so many animals. It may be microorganism or it may be elephant. Okay, so if food and shelter they will not have, then what would be there? They will die, and they will die, then ecosystem will be disturbed. Okay, so forest is very important to get the food and shelter for the animals, let it be small or big. What is the another thing? Now try to understand. If forest is not there, the soil will not hold water, which will cause flood. I told you, if forest is there, their root system is penetrated deep into the soil. Okay, and when heavy rainfall is there, because of their root system, some amount of water is percolate down to soil. Now if forest is not there, then what should be there? Heavy flood may come, because no one is there to help in the absorption of water by the soil. Okay, so forest should be there to avoid the heavy flood. Okay, what is the next one? It will endanger our life and environment due to lack of sufficient oxygen. Now try to understand. If forest won't be there, then what would be there? Forest means trees. They will evolve oxygen gas during the course of photosynthesis. If forest disappears, then what would be there? We will not get the sufficient oxygen. If we will not have sufficient oxygen, then our life will be in danger. Not only this one, now environment balance will also be disturbed. Now in environment, what should be there? The carbon dioxide and oxygen percentage should be balanced. If either one will increase, then problem would be there. Especially if carbon dioxide amount is increased, then global warming would be there. Unpredictable season is there. Nowadays what is there? Unpredictable season is there. Why unpredictable season is there? Because of this reason only. Because what is there? Pollutant level in the atmosphere is very high, and because of that only what is there? When rain should be there, at that time it is not there. When rain is needed, then it is not there, but where it is not needed, that time it will come. So what is there? Unpredictable season because of this reason only. So these are the things will happen if forest would disappear. Okay, so forest should not be disappear. Their sufficient number should be there on the earth, so that our life and animal life will be in comfort zone. Okay, so now what are the importance of forest? So just see, there are so many importance of forest. Number one, forest provide us oxygen. Okay. Second one, protect soil and provide habitat to large number of animals. Forest helps in bringing good rainfall. You know all these things. So they are the source of medicinal plants, timber and many other useful products. Okay. They improve air quality also. So the last one is very important. They improve the, you might have heard about the air quality index, AQI, air quality index. So forests are responsible for air quality index. How? Just try to understand. Suppose in particular environment there are huge level of pollutant. If wind is blowing, so what would be there? Those pollutant will be dispersed and they will not be concentrated on particular place. So what is there? High speed wind is helping in improving the air quality, and that is good for our breathing, because if pollutant level is very high in a particular environment or surrounding, then respiratory problem will increase. That is why forests are very important. Okay, so how many importance are there? The first thing is they provide oxygen. Second one is they protect soil and provide habitat to large number of animals. They help in bringing good rainfall. Okay, because they maintain the water cycle also. They are the good source of medicinal plants, timber and some other useful products like gum. You know all those products already we have written. Next one, they improve the air quality. So in this way your entire chapter is completely discussed. Okay, now whatever today I have taught, I am giving you some questions. First question is write causes of vanishing forest. Okay, I have explained this one. What would happen if forest disappear? Okay, already I have noted down their answer. Next one is write the importance of forest. So already forest importance is here only. In this way your entire chapter is completely discussed and explained. Now NCERT exercise is there. So tomorrow onwards I will complete. I will take 2 days to complete those exercises. So in this way your this chapter is also about to finish. Only one chapter is left. Thank you. Keep noting all those things, so that at the end you should not tell that I have not completed notebooks. Okay, because once the things are taught, the purpose of writing everything on the blackboard is so that you can maintain your notes. Okay, and you can time and again revise that one. Okay, so now in this way I am hoping that you will complete the things.